City lights fading behind me. New dawn breaking slow. Still carrying scars, but they don't control me anymore.
I was built from long nights and cold rain. Another lonely road I used to know. Thought the darkness would never end, but pain became my closest friend. Every setback built my frame. Every heartbreak fed the flame. Now I move with calmer eyes, seeing truth beneath the skies. I remember nights with no direction, lost inside my own reflection. Now the dawn feel warm again, like peace finally settling in. Rise through the rain, don't look back. Every loss put my soul on track. Now the horizon shining gold, and my story finally unfolds. Rise through the rain, feel the light, made it out the endless night. Every scar became my guide. Now the sunrise on my side. Raindrops falling on the windshield slow. That old doubt had to let me go. No fast life, no fake glow, just real healing, moving slow. I learned to breathe when pressure came, turn the ache into my name. When the world tried to pull me down, I stood my ground, I stood my ground. Sky open while the city sleep. Dreams I thought I couldn't keep. Every storm became